It's Camille Deadra and I'm back with another video. Today I'm outside of Viking Village. We're going to show you guys what the inside of Viking Village looks like. Come on. Y'all, parked my car really good this time. Really nice, even, parked nice. People who live in Viking Village, we do not call it Viking Village. We call it The Ville, and you have to have a 2.5 or higher GPA to live here, and also you cannot be a freshman. Let's go look inside. All residents have a key card. Your key card matches up with the building. That's the only way you can get in. So if your key card does not match with the building you stay in, you cannot get in. Come on. Right here, we have the vending machines. And we usually have a DA or an RA here who usually chill out with them all the time. Let's take a little break and check out some rooms.
Alright, my name is Todd Barker Jr. My name is Todd Barker Jr. I'm a senior business administration major, and this is my humble abode. Alright, so what we got right here is the living room. We got the living room right here. You know, it's where everyone can sit at, and this is what our kitchen look like. You know, got the stove, got the little iron top joints. We just made spaghetti, so mine don't mind spaghetti noodles right here. Alright. How long, I guess, what, to the bedroom?
Yeah.
Alright. So it's 4 people that stay in this suite. Normally, corner suites got 5, but because we're right here at the first floor by the gate, it's only 4. Walk in. See, this is the closet. Get that like the closet or whatnot, you know, don't look at it too long. This is where, you know, I keep my clothes and stuff. I keep a candle up there, a wax warmer, not a candle. This is my entertainment center, and also where I do my homework at. You see my laptop. Got my PlayStation on and stuff, and I got like a slight little couch in here, just, you know, for comfort purposes, you know, for bed or whatnot. Got the speaker back there, real nice. And then, oh yeah, can't forget the mini fridge. It's kind of empty right now, but definitely a mini fridge. Gotta keep, you know, water, Gatorades, and stuff like that in here. And so that was it.
And we're back. I hope you guys like that first room. We have one more room in store, but I'm going to do a little commercial break for you guys. So I'm on the first floor right now, and this is the laundry room. In here, we have 10 washers and 10 dryers. And we only have 1 floor of the washing machine. So everybody washes their clothes right here. We're about to go outside to the courtyard. Okay, so out here in the courtyard, we have 4 benches and a grill. This is where everybody just hangs out at and talks, eats, whatever they want to do, dance out here. People bring out their speakers. Sometimes we have parties.
I'm Isis, and I'm a sophomore graphic design major here at ECSU. And I like to take pictures and, you know, do art and stuff on campus. So this is our living area. So our living room, kitchen. I don't really use this much, but this is what we all have. Then in our suite, we have 4 people that live here. here, and we each have our own room and our own bathroom. So this is my room. I live in B. So over here, this is the bathroom for you guys. You can kind of see. So this is my closet. I'm not gonna open it up because it's like kind of messy in there, but this is where I sleep, you know, my bed. My TV stand is over here. Then over here I have my desk, and this is where I kind of do my makeup when I feel like it, or I do everything on my computer over here. This is, you know, my fridge, my microwave. Down there I've got my blender, my speaker. So I like to listen to music a lot in here. Yeah, that's kind of it.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the Ville. Please comment down below which one was your favorite, the boy or the girl, and which dorm room did you like the best.